All right. This is the another class for the GC grade 8 English medium. So we have one of the student today at the moment. So some of them will be joining later. Okay, I will share my desktop. I think you can you see my desktop, Ronalia?
Yes, I can see your desktop.
Okay, right, right. Configuration and formatting the computer, right? All the activities in this unit are based on Microsoft Windows 10. I think, Ronaldi, I think you would have Windows 10 OS, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So because this all the exercises are based on this one. So this is the latest one. So we have to adhere this version. Okay. So we'll talk about activity 2.1. Let us set up the correct time zone, date, time, currency, and the number format of the computer. The operating systems allow all these settings to be done on one dialog box. Therefore, follow the step given below for the settings. Okay. So we just go through that. What they say. So you have to do with me, right? Okay. Uh, Click on the icon, Windows icon, this icon, and click on the control panel under Windows system. Right. I think Cindy also joining. Hi, Cindy. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Right. So we are going today. We are going to start our this one the workbook exercises because we need to cover these two books even workbook plus textbook. Okay, today we are going to do some activity that this is 2.1. So where this shows that how we can put some correct time zone. Even I think I remember I have done this earlier. Can you remember, Ronalia? This kind of exercise I have done with you all.
Yes, sir, I can remember.
Yeah. So correct time zone, date, time, currency, and the number format. Okay, what they say, first of all, click on the icon. So this is the Windows icon. You can see here. This would be the Windows icon, right? The Microsoft has very good feature for anything. When you click and search, so it will give. This is the Windows icon, right? Windows icon, right? So and click on the control panel. So what you can do, so you click this. Now you have to do with me. You go to your laptop, click on this. Here you can see control panel. How you can say you can scroll down, right? You check whether this control panel is there, right? There are a number of ways you can get these features, right? Even you can search it, right? Under Windows system. So where's the Windows system here, right? So here you can have a control panel. So here it's click on this, go to Windows system, right? Under Windows system, the control panel is there. If you are struggling with that, you can just click this one, just type control. See, it's a very easiest way. So there are some command lines. So these are commands, right? You have to keep in mind these things. When you use the commands, it's very easy to get what you need, right? So if you just type control, it shows only the control panel, right? So you can see like this. Otherwise, you have to scroll down everywhere and search it. So otherwise, you have to, there are two options. Click on this, go to Windows System, click on Control Panel. So this is the control panel, right? So because this control panel, what's the idea about the control panel? All the computer settings you can adjust from here. Adjust your all computer settings. Okay. So example, there are there's a term called administrative tools, backup and restore, BitLocker encryption, right? Internet option, indexing option, font, mouse. So this is very important. Program and features. Normally this is very important for you. Program and features, and the internet option also important, right? And even this one, device manager is important, right? Date and time is important. Device and printers are important, right? So these are the important. The system Windows Defender Firewall is important. User account is important, right? So these are frequently accessed things. Even the mail and all important. If you are accessing your email by company email through computer, right? If you are accessing your company email through computer, this is very important. These are the important icons. Anyway, the control panel is like a, you are all troubleshooting, right? All troubleshooting and managing, right? Administrating, right? Administrating every features are under this control panel. That's why this is very important, right? So you should know these things, right? So control panel, everything is very important, right? Under. So whatever I highlighters are very important because we are frequently use these things. When you are using computers, we are using every day sometime these options to manage our computer. This is manage settings, right? In other words, manage setting in the computer. So you should know how to access, right? For example, I will close it again, right? Go to, just click on Windows, type control. Now you have to do with me, right? Then click on control panel. This should be come. Otherwise, you can click this Windows icon, go to Windows Systems down. Under that, you have a control panel. Same thing. So there's an option called see large icons, small icons. So this is the small icons. When you click it, large icon, same thing. So font size is different and the image size, I mean the logo. Right, that's how the control panel, how you access the control panel. There are two ways. Click on Windows, type control, directly it comes. This is the easiest and fastest method. How do you go to the control panel?
I get, sir.
Very good. So Cindy, how about you? Cindy, I can't hear you.
I go to the control panel.
Very good. Yeah. So otherwise you click on this, go to Windows System. Under Windows System, you can see the control panel here. Right. So either you can say there's another way, you click on Control R. Sorry, Windows R. Under Windows R, there's an option called control. See, this is third option, right? I will teach you that also. So you click on, you have to click this Windows. So this is a keyboard, right? So this is a Windows icon, right? This is Windows icon. You have to click that. Click that. Or you have to click like this. You have to press the Windows and altogether press R. Did you get this? You have to press
Can you show another time?
Windows icon plus keyboard R, the keyboard R key. Can you click on both at once? You know Windows icon in keyboard, you have Windows icon in the bottom. Windows icon here. This is Windows icon. Press on that. While pressing that, press R. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this should come. Right? This is called, you have to remember these shortcuts. These are shortcuts, right? This is called run. See, run. So how do you go to run? You have to press Windows icon, right?
I got it, sir.
Yes. You have to press Windows icon. Right? You have to press Windows icon plus R, keyboard R, the key, R key. So then it comes to run. This one. Right? Normally it comes. Right? So this is, type the name of the program, folder, document or internet resource and Windows will open it for you. That correct? So this is a kind of a search option. You have to type the name of the program or a folder name or the document or the internet resource. Internet resource means there's a thing, there are things which is belongs to the internet. And Windows will open it for you. So it will open, right? By default and by automatically it will open. So there are shortcuts you should remember. How do you, so the control panel, the shortcut would be the control. You have to just type control, then it will open the control panel. So this is the control keyword. This is a keyword for shortcut for opening control panel, right? Opening control panel, right? So what you can do, you can just type here control and enter. You have to do with me. Did you get this? Same thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah, I think now you can see how many options we have, right? We have many options to go to the same thing. First one I said, click on Windows, go to Windows system. Under that you will see the control panel. This is another way, first way. Second way, click Windows icon, just type control. That will open the same thing. Third option I said, press Windows icon and the keyboard R key, then type control and enter. You will open the same thing. So there are three ways to open the control panel.
I think there are 41 icons.
Yes. Right. That's how it goes. Right. Okay. Then click on date time on the control panel. Okay. So now you, some other way you click, go to control panel and click on date time. So this is the date and time, right? I think we already did these things. Then what you can do, you have to go to change the date time. Okay, click this date and time, and here you can change the date, even the time. Very easy settings. Okay, right. Then there's another option called, right, this is okay. Then go to the change time zone, right? How do you go to that? Additional, see, change time zone is there. So this is where you can give the time zone. So here I have selected C Jayawardenapura because of our in Sri Lanka. So if you want USA, it's a New York. Oh, where? Washington.
Madagascar.
Yeah. Right. So whatever you can select, this is all our capitals, right? Countries capitals, right? So you can select whatever the relevant capital from here, right? So here you have Perth, right? So there are a lot of capitals in other countries. Fiji, right? So India, we go India, New Delhi. So, see here. See New Delhi, something like that. Hi Tarul, how are you?
Good, sir.
Tarul, yeah, we just started the class here. Tarul, we have started this date and time. I think we have done this thing. I think you can remember this, right? So this
Yes,
is
madam.
we do.
Sir.
Yeah, this is we have done. Right. So here you can change the time zone from here. Okay. Next one. So we have to give me a second.
What is the page number, sir?
I think page number 5.
Right. Okay. Sorry, one of the visitor came. Okay.
What is the page number, sir?
This is the 14 here. This is workbook, right? Okay. So let us format data and time, right? Let us format date and time. Click region in control panel. Click format tab in the dialog box. Select the data and the time format you like. Right. So here you can change the region as well, right? So here there is option called region, right? See, right here format English. You can select whatever the you are. I have selected English. So this OS version, you can have any version, any language. Then date time format. Language, this is language preference, right? So you can add another language. I have only default language, right? So see, same option, date, time, region, language, speech. So this is time and language, right? All are there. Date, time, regional formatting, right? So it's under like a, like a suites of options. Here you can have a short date, long date, short time, long time, right? This is example are there. There are additional settings. Currency, normally it's dollar, right? I mean default, but you can change it, right? So how you can, show the time, the format of the time, the second time and everything. The format of the date, that means whether it is month is first, date is coming. So you can see here short date. Now it's a month date y. See, my date is C. Date is month is 2. Date 23. Y means 4 characters. See, 2021. So if you change this, it will change here. Something like that. So these are the settings where you can control your all the time and date, everything. Very simple. Right. So okay. Now we'll go to this part as well. Let us select the number format, measurement system and the currency in your computer. Click on additional setting. Click numbers tab in the dialog box appears. Select 3-digit grouping as digit grouping and metric for measurement system. Right. Right. Here, what we can do, same option, right? Go to control panel. Click region. There's additional setting here. I have go through this. So here number is there, decimal number, right? Then currency, time and date, same thing, right? So those are the settings you have. You can change it, right? Okay, activity 2.2, computer file attribute. So we have done this as well. You can remember we have done the theory part for this. right? This is computer file attribute. What do you mean by the attribute? Can you give me the another name for the attribute? Can you give me the another name for the attribute?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What is the difference between metric and US?
Metric. Where are you asking?
Yeah, in page numbers six, 6 in my page. Yeah, up. Sorry, down. Fifth. Sorry, page number 16.
Wait here. The click numbers tab in the dialog box that appears and select 3-digit grouping as digit grouping, metric and measurement system. Let us select the number format, measurement system and the currency. Wait, we'll go to that. This one under region, additional setting, currency is there. Right, currency dollar. Normally it comes dollar. It's like this. Excel එකක් අපි ගත්තොත් wait. Currency, time, date. What you said that, not this one, no. Additional settings. You asked this, right? Metric
Yeah.
and US. Numbers. Measurement system. Metric means, it's measurement. About what metric? That is metric ton, right? Something like that, right? This weight. I will say check metric and US. What is my US is? Give me a second. Metric is that metric ton. Metric and what is the US? US is not the country, no. US.
Sir, it goes like metric versus imperial number system.
Wait. More how a separated joint system teaching children in school both the traditional IS metric system. Metric system with difference. United States of America, why doesn't US use the metric when? So this is metric ton. Wait. We have to check specific what they said. So this is metric system measurement of the ruler. Distance, volume, weight, things like are two different measurement systems are things like distance, volumes and weight. Right. Since all countries in the world don't use same measurement system. That's right. The US වල use කරන්නේ වෙන එකක්. මේක බලමු මේක. Metric system, decimal system of unit based on the meter. So that is the normal way, right? Decimal system දැන් අපි බලන්නේ meter එක, kilogram එක. What is US? All but 3 countries in entire world use the metric system of the measurement. Some of the major. So these are metric. Imperial system. Countries consist in inches, miles, and pound. Unit of weight. Right. මෙහෙමයි සමහර country වල ඒගොල්ලෝ use කරන්නේ weight එකට right so weight එකට use කරන ක්‍රම දෙකක් metric එක use කරන්නේ නැහැ මේ countries මේවා ඕස්ට්‍රේලියා කැනඩා ෆ්‍රාන්ස් ඉන්දියා ඉටලි ජපාන් මෙක්සිකෝ මේවා use කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ කොහෙද මේ countries right United Kingdom Commonwealth countries ඒ කියන්නේ European countries ඒගොල්ලෝ use කරන්නේ මේ ඔයා කිව්වා U.S එක right මේ තියෙන United States of Customary System US since all countries in the US were set up using this measurement system that's why the US වල use කරන්නේ අනිත් system එක right imperial system ඒ කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ weight එක මයින්න use කරන ක්‍රම දෙක එකක් තමයි metric එක දැන් අපි නම් use කරන්නේ metric මේගොල්ලෝ use කරන්නේ imperial system එක right ඒ දෙක තමයි හරියටම කිව්වොත් ඒ දෙක තමයි තියෙන්නේ right good question right දැන් මෙතන අපිට මේකයි මේ දෙකක් තියෙන එකයි measurement system measurement කියන්නේ කොහොම weight එක බලන එක නවා කොහොමද measure කරන්න කියන එක metric ද US ද අපේ සාමාන්‍ය අපි Asian countries metric තමයි තියෙන්නේ අපි යන්නේ metric ton වලින්නේ අපේ හැම එකක්ම metric ton වලින් තමයි බලන්නේ right මෙතන අපි බලමු මෙතන configurations දැන් මෙතන file එකක right file එකක මොනවාද තියෙන attribute ඕගොල්ලන්ට මතක නැහැ මම මේ attribute එකට කියන නම් දෙකක් කිව්වා මම නම් තුනක් කිව්වා ඕගොල්ලන්ට මතක නැහැ එකක් තමයි මොකද්ද characteristics මම දන්නේ නැහැ ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියා ගන්න නැද්ද කියලා characteristic කියලා කිව්වා ඊගාව එක මම කිව්වා තා මොකද්ද properties කියලා කිව්වා දැන් මේවා වචන මම මේ උගන්වන්නේ ලියලිය මේවා ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒතකොට මේවා සමාන වචන ඉගෙන ගන්න තරමට හොඳයිනේ. properties කියන්නේ features. නැත්තම් මේකට තව කියන්න පුළුවන් features. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒකේ ලක්ෂණ, ගුණාංග, ලක්ෂණ, properties, characteristics, right? Attribute, everything is the same name. හරි. එතකොට අපි බලන්න ඕනේ ෆයිල් එකක අපිට තියෙන මොනවාද? ෆයිල් එක මොනවද තියෙන්නේ අපි තියෙනවා ෆයිල් ඇට්‍රිබියුට් කියලානේ ඕන ෆයිල් එකේ ස්ට්‍රක්චර් එක බැලුවොත් හරි Karul file name and the file extension තියෙන්නේ that is correct right that is correct but I am asking the file attribute what kind of attribute that particular file has for example you have a read permission there are permission or write permission file name තියෙනවා file detail තියෙන ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවානේ read permission write permission write permission තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ file type එක තියෙනවා ওই ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා file attributes right so දැන් අපි බලමු මේක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා for this purpose you need to log on to the computer using the administrator account therefore these activities will be demonstrated to you by the teacher select the file that you need to change the or explore the attribute then follow the step below right click on the selected file and check on properties of the menu you can then examine the attributes such as type මම හැබැයි මේවා ටික කිව්වා ඕගොල්ලන්ට මතක ඇති මම මේ ටික කරා කමන්නේ අපි දැන් මේ workbook එකනේ කරන්නේ මේක අපේ අර මම theory එක කරද්දිම මේ ටික ඕගොල්ලන්ට practical පෙන්නුවා මට මතකයි කමන්නේ දැන් අපි මේක කරමු අපි මේක ගමුකෝ ෆයිල් එකකට මේක right click කරලා දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ඕන ෆයිල් එකක් ගන්න හරි ෆයිල් එක අරගෙන click on this right click on it go to properties hurry here you can see these are the features type of the file දැන් මේවට අපි වැඩි වෙලාව ගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ මේවා අපි දන්නේවා මම මේ කරපු ඒවා right file size එක තියෙනවා right ඒක හදපු දිනය තියෙනවා modify කරපු දිනය තියෙනවා detail තියෙනවා හරි ඊට පස්සේ මේක advance ගියාට පස්සේ තියෙනවා මේ මොකද්ද file attribute file is ready for archive ඒ කියන්නේ archive කරන්න පුළුවන් හරි ආකායින් කියන්නේ ආකායි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපි ආකායු කරනවා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? කියන්නේ අපිට මේක ස්ටෝර් කරන්න පුළුවන් කොහේ හරිනේ ආකායි. Right? Allow this file to have a content index in addition to file properties. So දැන් මේ ෆයිල් එකක ලොකු contents තියෙනවා. Right? ඒ contents ටික අපිට index එකක් විදියට පිළිවෙලට තියාගන්නවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. Logically. මේක logical නා. Logically වෙන්නේ. Logically කියන්නේ physically නෙවෙයි logically. එතකොට මේක අපිට compress කරන්න පුළුවන්. ෆයිල් එකක් වුණාම compress කරනවා. compress කරනවා කියන්නේ රුපියලේ තියෙන අපි හිතමු රුපියල් 5 තියෙන shopping bag එකක තියෙන බඩු goods ටික අපි රුපියල් 2ක shopping bag එකකට දානවා. මේක දාන්න අමාරුයි. හැබැයි දානවා අපි තද කරලා compress අපි කියන්නේ ඒකට ඒකයි compress කරලා දානවා. compressing කියන්නේ ඒක. හරි. එතකොට encrypt content of secure data encrypt කරනවා කියන්නේ ඒකේ තියෙන data අපි encryption ඒ කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි algorithm එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි mathematical calculation එකක් මාර්ගෙන් dummy data කරනවා. dummy data which can't be understand by the humans ලට කියවන්න බෑ. දාලා ඒකේ තියෙනවා. එතකොට කවුරු හරි ඒක hack කරොත් ඒක කියවන්න බෑ. ඒ වගේ. දැන් මේ හැම මම මේ කතා කරපු හැම දෙයක්ම මේ ෆයිල් වල තියෙනවා properties. හරි. ඒක තව attribute එකක් තියෙනවා read only hidden. මම ඒක දා ෆයිල් එක කිව්වනේ. මට කියන්න සින්දි මේ ෆයිල් එක කොහමද මම hide කරන්නේ මෙතනින්? How can I hide this file? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක කියන්න ඕනේ මම මේ ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් එක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කරා. සින්දි are you there?
Excuse me, sir. Can I say the answer?
No, we'll give a chance to Cindy. Cindy, can you hear me? Cindy went. I don't know. Cindy disconnected. When the ප්‍රශ්නයක් ආපු ගමන් Cindy disconnect වුණා.
Sir,
Yeah?
can I have a second? I am going from the phone. I must connect to the tab. Can I leave for a minute and rejoin?
Okay, no worries. Hi Cindy.
Yes, sir.
How do you hide this particular file from here?
There is read only and hidden.
Okay.
Choose the hidden and tick it.
Okay. Very
and
good.
apply.
Very good. But it is still there, no? How? That's another thing you have to do. What's that thing? Anyone?
Read only, not
Not that. So that is you said part of that. That is correct. Hidden read only. Can't you remember there's a view option? Click on view. There's an option called hidden items. See, you have to untick it. It goes, no?
yes, sir.
It disappeared, right? So may option mama danne I don't know. You have to remember this option. Make a view එකේ තියෙන්නේ. It's under view. Fold එකක් හංගන්න එහෙමයි. දැන් කවුරු හරි fold එකක් හොයනවා නම් ඔයා ටං ගාලා ඔයා දන්නවා හංගන්න විදිය. You know how to hide that fold. But if he is smart, he knows where you can hide. Here, if you untick it, take it, it's there. It's coming. Right? Now see, it won't happen. See, I have untick keys. This I have untick this hidden. So if you click this, nothing happen now. This won't work until you have to make this particular file attribute as hidden. Otherwise, this won't work. Got it? දැන් මෙතන අපි දැන් මේක ඔයා හිතන්නවා මේක මම හිඩන් කරලා නැහැ කියලා. දැන් මම මේක හිඩන් අයිටම් එක ටික් කරනවා කියන්නේ ෂෝ කරනවා, අන්ටික් කරනවා කියන්නේ ෂෝ කරන්න එපා කියන එක. දැන් ඒත් ෂෝ කරනවානේ මොකද හේතුව this file is not the hidden item. So first of all you have to do this tick here. Then you have to see it's already disappear because I have untick this. I want to, when you click means you are going to show. If you untick means you are going to hide. Now I will click. I am going to show that. See, it's there. If you untick is I want to hide that. It goes. Got it? I think you got it.
I got it.
Very good. Very important, huh? දැන් මේවා හරිය මේවා අපි කරපු ඒවා right මේ තියෙන්නේ මේ පේනවනේ read only hidden right. මේ search option එකත් මම කරා මතකනේ මම search කරා ඕගොල්ලන්ට search කරන්න දුන්නා right. එතකොට search option එක අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ආයි recap කරොත් search option එක where the search option is there, you can right click file explorer, go to file explorer. After that where click on this PC, search, click on this PC in the search ribbon, right? So we go through this, we click this. First you have to file explorer, right click on the icon, right click, okay. Then there's option called file explorer, click on this, okay. Right click on the Windows icon, go to file explorer. Now is file explorer is open. After that, what they ask us to do it, then click on this PC in the search ribbon. This PC, where's the search ribbon? Okay, see, this is this PC. Click on this PC. Okay, right. This is click on this PC. Then what they ask you to do, you have to do with me. I am assuming you are doing with me. Then you are going to search something. Search quick access. Okay. What is there here? Search quick access. Right. Here. DOCS. See, there are some documents. When I search it, some documents are searching. So that is the search option. So this is under this PC. That means this PC means this. Wherever your computer has a particular file, so this is this PC. That means this belongs to C drive. If you have a D drive, E drive, every drive belongs to this PC. Everywhere it search, that is called this PC. If you want to specifically search from the desktop, you have to click on desktop and go to that only, like this. Then it search on, see, it says that search desktop, right? if you want to click on, see, if you want to click, if you want to find the file in the under documents, it sees search document, right? Yeah, Tarul, what you have, you said something.
Sir, what page are you doing? 6, 7, 6 or 7?
We are
Page
doing 8, 9.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so this is we have done already. So yeah, we have done this, right? At the earlier also, I have given exercises, even, you know, how to select. Can you remember I said that the star button, star, like this,
Yeah.
star, S6 star, I will say AA star dot DOCS, something like that. Star means what? Any character, no?
Anything.
Yes, any character, right? So we have done these things earlier. This is a workbook today we are going, because we have to do the both book, practical and the theory.
So are we doing the naming part of the activity 2.4?
Yeah, naming part we already done that, right? So we already done that. So that is no need. So this is just to type the DOCS. Now this is the important thing. This thing we have covered this also. Now I will give. Okay, I will read this question. You have to do now, right? Select the most suitable word, right? Okay. Select the most suitable words from those in the box to fill the blank in the statement given. You know, now these days I am doing, I want to tell you, I am doing these days seminar 2020 O level ICT seminar, right? So these are the questions. This kind of questions are there to your O level exam. I mean final exam, right? Final O level ICT exam. Very simple question. They are giving answers. They are giving answers, and they are giving questions as well. You just want to put right answer to the right blank, something like that. The same question type coming to your O level exam also. Now you are grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. After 3 years also you will get a same question to your O levels, because these days I am doing O level seminar, so that's why. So I know the exact exam questions, what kind of a question they will test it. So this is the one of the common questions they will ask. What they say, they are putting some blanks, they are giving answers, they are asking to choose correct answer. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
I got the motherboard of these points. Like that point.
Okay.
Sir, but the HDA audio port is there only one line.
Okay. HD audio port. This one.
Sir,
Right. Yes.
that motherboard, it has like a strip like things, like white color. What are those?
Strip.
Not the RAMs, but there are strips like things in the motherboard.
Yeah, there are some these slots, right? Slot, that means where we can plug some PCIe card, some sound card, some TV card we can plug there.
Okay,
Right. Okay. So now you have some work now you have to do now. There are question 1 to 10, right? So you have to fill these blank from these answers what they have given. They given computer, Ethernet port, keyboard, PS2, HDMI, driver software, uninstall, VGA, disconnect power supply, restart, hardware defeat, main storage, USB install, software defeat, RJ45, application software, mouse. Okay, out of these answers, you have to come up with the correct answer for these brackets. So I will give now 10, 11, 10, 20, you have to finish this. මම දෙනවා විනාඩි
Okay, sir.
9ක්. විනාඩි 9 එකකට විනාඩියයි minimum. Maximum 1 minute.
Okay.
So I will come back after 8:20. You have to finish this. Right? Okay, now start. Any question? Do you have any question?
Nah, sir.
Okay, great. Now you can start your question. hello ඉවරද?
No, sir.
සින්දි ඉවරද?
No.
තරුල්?
No.
okay. ඉවර නම් කියන්න මට. then ඇති වෙලාව. So now it's time because මෙච්චර වෙලාවක් ගන්න විදියක් නැහැ. ඕගොල්ලා මේවා ඔක්කොම උගන්වපු ඒවා. හරිද? ළමයි ඉවරද? Can you talk please? I am asking some questions. You are not.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first one. Common problem faced with use of computer are. Are everybody there, right? Common problem faced with the use of computer are. මොකක්ද උත්තරේ? Cindy, can you tell me the answer? මම අහන අය විතරක් උත්තර දෙන්න. ලියපු එක උත්තර දෙන්න. ලියපු එක විතරයි. Common problem faced with the use of computer. What's the answer? Cindy, are you there? Cindy ආයි ගිහිල්ලානේ. හරි. Tharul, give me the answer.
Hardware defects and software defects.
Hardware defeat. And software defeat. Cindy disconnect වෙනවා ක්ලික් කරද්දී ආයි disconnect වෙනවා මොනවා වෙනවද දන්නේ. කො Cindy? Cindy, you there? Cindy, why you are disconnecting? Keep on disconnecting. Cindy, can you hear me? හරි. මම හිතන්නේ ඒ question එක බොහෝ විට හරි. හරි අපි ඒක තියමු. මොකද තව questions තියෙනවා. අපි දැනට හරි කියලා ගන්නමු.
Excuse me, sir. Cindy said the message. I can't hear you, sir.
I think that's Cindy your problem. You check your mic because my one is I think Ronalia, you can hear me, right?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, Cindy, you just check your microphone. That would be the problem. Okay. Second question, Ronalia, can you give me the answer? Inactive hardware problem.
Inactive keyboard and inactive mouse are hardware problems.
Okay, for the moment we'll keep that, right? Because we have a lot of questions, right? So because we have to select perfect one. This is Cindy, can you hear me now? Cindy, can you hear me? Your mic is off. Can you unmute your mic? We saw that your mic is off because the mic icon, when the mic icon is going to cross, that means your mic is off or your mic is disabled. If your mic is on, there is no dash line, right, on the microphone icon. Okay, it is essential. Yes.
Volume is off.
That's what. Now we can hear some Cindy.
Okay.
Cindy, can you give me the answer for third one? It is essential to when checking cables connected to the computer.
The first one.
Computer?
So can I say?
No, wait. Cindy, what is the answer for third one? Third question I am asking. This one.
Ah, okay, sir.
It is essential to when checking cables connected to the computer.
Hardware.
It is essential to hardware when checking cables. I
I
don't
can-
think. Wait.
Can I say?
Wait. Cindy, can you try again?
Okay, sir. Disconnect power supply.
Very good. That's the answer. It is essential to disconnect power supply when checking cables connected to the computer. Yes. ඒක තමයි එන්නේ. Right. Ronalia, question number 4. Can you give me the answer? To connect keyboard and mouse.
PS2 and USB.
To connect keyboard, mouse, PS2 port and USB port can be used. Yes, your answer is correct. Great. RJ45 cable is connected to Tarul.
VGA port and internal port.
RJ cable is connected to the VGA port of a what here?
Internal port.
Internal port.
Yeah.
Not internal, Ethernet port, right? You said this one, right? It's Ethernet,
Yes.
right?
Sorry for the mistake.
Ronalia, Cindy, can you tell this is correct or not? RJ45 cable is connected to the VGA port of the Ethernet port.
The fifth question.
Yes, this one.
Wrong.
Wrong, then what would be the correct? I'm asking only Cindy. Can you give me the answer? For this what? For this here.
I think,
Ronan, oh,
I
Kianna.
think correct.
Correct. Ron Lu, correct Lu. Ronalia, what do you think?
Sir, HDM port, I port
Wait, Tarul, I am asking from now. Ronalia, you already given the answer. Yeah. Tell me,
Yeah.
Ronalia, is this
I-
correct or not?
I think it's correct.
It's correct. ඔගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොමලා වැරදි. කොහමද වැරදි? RJ45 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද RJ45 කියන්නේ? මම දන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ උගන්නන ඒවා කොහෙටද යන්නේ කියලා. What do you mean by RJ45? RJ45 means what? ඉතින් මතක නැහැ දැන් ගිය සතියේ උගන්වුපේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මතක නැහැ. මම දන්නේ නැහැ.
Register jack 45.
register jack 45. හරි ඒක කනෙක්ට් කරන්නේ මොනකටද? ඒක network port එකට තමයි කනෙක්ට් කරන්නේ. එතකොට මේක එන්න ඕනේ උත්තරේ මොකද්ද? මේක VGA port එකක් අදාළ වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ Ethernet network port එකට. ඒක වැරදීනේ. ඒක තේරෙන්න ඕනේ. VGA කියන්නේ display නේ. දැන් VGA කියන එක දැක්ක ගමන් වැරදි කියලා ඔළුවට එන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ මන් දන්නේ මේ why you are not concentrate this very easy question because I have teach. දැන් මට තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නේ මම උගන්වපේවට ඕගොල්ලන්ට උත්තර දෙන්න බැරි නම් I am getting upset. right? එතකොට මේ VGA කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? This is display port එකක් නේ. මේක display output එකක් නේ. එතකොට ඒකයි මේ network RJ45 register jack එකයි අදාළ වෙන්නෙම නැති දෙයක් නේ. It's not related no. So ඕගොල්ලෝ I don't know why you are not giving the correct answer for this. Is very simple, easiest questions. You are giving silly answers, right? So here RJ45 cable, it's related to the network cable, network connection. So it's like this, no? If you want to connect computers, right? You have to have this and the computer to the network. Or switch එකට ගහන්න ඕන. We say this is switch. So this is cable is network cable. So this port is in a computer we have RJ45. RJ45 register jet 45. So this is only RJ45 network cable used for connecting devices. එතන මෙතනට එන RJ45 cable is connected to the computer. Sorry, I made a mistake. මෙතනට එන්නේ RJ45 cable connected to the Ethernet port. Right? මේ RJ45 cable ඒ කියන්නේ network cable එක connect වෙන Ethernet port of the computer. This is the answer. Got it? මේක තේරුණාද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
දැන් බලන්න දැන් මේක මම හොඳට උගන්වපු එකක් නේ. අයි මේක වැරද්දුවේ කියලා. ඒක ඕගොල්ලෝ concentrate කරන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් මගේ අර මම දැන් YouTube channel එකේ මම දැන් videos ටික දාලා තියෙන්නේ. පෙරේදත් දැම්මා. ඕගොල්ලන්ට මම WhatsApp මේකටත් දැම්මා. ඕගොල්ලන්ට මම දැන් ආයි link එක එවන්න. ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ යන sessions මම ඇත්තටම රෙකෝඩ් කරලා දාන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ හරි මේක බලන්න. මොකද මෙහෙමයි පළවෙනි පාර ළමයිට තේරෙන්නේ නැති එක ඇත්ත. සමහරලාට 150ක් 60ක් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට හැබැයි දෙවෙනි පාර රෙකෝඩ් කරලා දාන්නේ because of you, right? නැත්නම් මට මේක YouTube එකට දැම්මා කියලා මට සල්ලි හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. මට සල්ලි හම්බෙනවා නම් හම්බෙන්නේ තව අවුරුදු 10කින් 15කින් විතර. ඒතකොට අපි ඉඳිත් දන්නෙත් නැහැ. right? ඒකින්ද එතකොට මේවා කරන්නේ මේ ළමයිට. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද ඕගොල්ලෝ ඒ වලින් ප්‍රයෝජනය ගන්න. right? So එතකොට මම YouTube එකට දාලා මම දැන් මේ ඔක්කොම ඒව ටික දාලා දැන් සින්දිටත් දෙකක් යවන්න ඕනේ. ඒ ටික දාලා මේ වීකෙන්ඩ් එකේ කොහොමත් මම එවනවා තව දවස් දෙකකින්. එතකොට අද 2021 කරපු වීඩියෝස් ටික ආයි බලන්න. මේ ලොකු වැදගත් දේවල් අපි කරනවානේ ඉතින්. ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලන්ට අතනම O level වෙද්දි ඕගොල්ලන්ට ලොකු knowledge එකක් එනවා. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ බලන්න දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ හිටපු තාත්තේ නෙවෙයිනේ දැන් ඉන්නේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ හිටියේ මුකුත්ම දන්නේ නැති විදියටනේ අද join උනේ. ඉතින් මම දන්නවනේ ඕගොල්ලෝ හිටපු තාත්තේ. ඉතින් දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ටික draw වෙනවා. ඉතින් you have to repeatedly listen my this YouTube channel because 1 hour video නේ තියෙන්නේ. පොඩ්ඩක් වෙලාව අරන් go through කරන්න. එතකොට ඕගොල්ලන්ට කම්පියුටර් ප්‍රශ්න වෙන්න බෑ. එතකොට කම්පියුටර්ස් කියන එක උපරිම දැනගන්න ඕන. ඒකයි අපේ අදහස. මොකද මේ විභාගයක් පාස් කිරීමේ අදහසින් නෙමෙයි අපි මේ උගන්වන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙහෙම උගන්වන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් ඒකට තියෙනවා නිකන් ස්ලයිඩ් එකක් හදාගෙන කියවගෙන යනවා. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ මේක cables are used in the connect. ඒක හරි. එතකොට මෙතන මොකද්ද? කවුද සින්දි 6 වෙනි එක? Can you give me the 6 වෙනි 6 answer for this? HDMI cable are used to connect a television to a computer. Oh. දැන් මේකේ මේක තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නේ මේක HDMI වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරිද? අපිට VGA use කරන්නත් පුළුවන්.
VGA or HTML.
ඔව් දෙකම use කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපි බලමු ඉතින් VGA මොකක් හරි වෙන උත්තරයකට එනවද කියලා. ඔය දෙකම use කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. ඒ වුණාට දැන් දැනටම ඉතින් TV වල ගොඩක් HDMI එන ඉඳ අපි HDMI දැම්මත් පාඩු නැහැ. අපි ඊගාව question එකට යමු 7 වෙනි එක. Tharul, can you give me the answer for 7? The basic solution.
Okay, sir. Restarting.
The basic solution to most of the problem is computer is to restart. Yes. ඔව් අපේ යාළුවෙකුත් හිතුවා ඒ දවස්වල අපි වැඩ කරන තැන්වල මේ එයාගේ සොලියුෂන් එක තමයි රීස්ටාර්ට් කරන එක. ඒතකොට ඇත්තටම අපි යාට නමකුත් දැම්මා රීස්ටාර්ට් කියලා. කවුරු හරි ආවම රීස්ටාර්ට් කරලා යවනවා. හරි. නෑ ඇත්තටම ඒක බලද්දි ඒක ඇත්තටම 150ක ඉෂුස් රිසෝල්ව් කරනවා. ඒකත් අපි දැනගත්තේ පස්සේ. right. ඉතින් දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ ඒක දන්නවා. රීස්ටාර්ට් කරන එක. හරි. 8 වෙනි එක. Some hardware connected to the computer may not function because Ronalia, what's the answer?
Application software.
One hardware connected to the computer may not function because පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු මොනවද උත්තර තියෙන්නේ කියලා. එන්නේ තව මොනවාරි ආන්සර් එකක් තියද ඒකට? දැන් රොනාලියා කියන application software කියලා. Any other answer for that? Any volunteer? Any volunteer? ඒ උත්තරයට එකඟද? තරුල්, what do you think?
Yes, I think it's right.
I think it's right. Very good. It's right both නේ. අයියෝ මම කියනවා රෝන් කියලා. අයියෝ මාර කේස් එක නේ. මම කියනවා රෝන් කියලා. එතකොට දැන් මම අහන කෙටි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තමයි hardware එකයි application software එකයි අතර මොකක්ද relationship එක? මේක application software කියලා කියන්නේ. Application software is a software which is only used for specific tasks. For example, word processing applications, spreadsheet applications, right? Presentations applications, web authoring applications, right? Internet browsing applications. Those are the specific application for the specific task. This is not related to the hardware, right? This is called application. Application means that is a particular program where you are going to do some particular task. For example, word processing application. What you can do, you can write a memo, write a letter, something like that. The database application, what you can do, you can create a databases, tables and all. So spreadsheet application, what you can do, you can create Excel sheet, write some calculations, something like that. So what do you mean by the presentation software? That is, you can create and high rich look and feel presentations. So that is specific purposes related to the specific applications. That's what application software. So they are asking, what is this? Some hardware connected to the computer may not function because of not the application software, because of the driver. Driver is not installed. Driver. මොකද හැම දැන් ඔයා දන්න, so you know that if you have a printer has a printer driver. ඔය printer drive එකට දාලානේ අපි ඔය CD එක හරි USB එක දාලා install කරන්නේ computer. පස්සේ තමයි computer එකයි printer එකයි අතර communication වෙන්නේ. මේකට කියනවා driver software කියලා. right? driver software කියලා. ඒ දෙන්න ඒ software එකෙන් කරන්නේ එයා link එක හදනවා computer එක. ඒ කියන්නේ computer එක recognize කරගන්නවා printer එක. That is called recognize. So to kind of a recognition, you have to install the specific printer driver to the computer. Then automatically අපි USB එකක් ගැහුවත්, USB USB mouse එකක් ගැහුවත්, wireless mouse එකක් connect කරත්, the wireless එකේ තියෙන USB එයා ඒ අදාළ device එකේ drive එක ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකට තියෙනවා එයා automatically download කරගන්නවා. So that is called driver software. Driver software කියන්නේ ඒ particular hardware එක mouse එක වෙන්න පුළුවන්, keyboard එක වෙන්න පුළුවන්, monitor එක වෙන්න, whatever the input output devices වල ඒ communication කරන ඒ setup file ටික computer එකට install කරන්න ඕනේ. නැත්තම් computer එකට identify කරගන්න බෑ ඒ device එක මොකක්ද කියලා. You can't, the computer can't communicate with the whatever the device without the proper device driver. So we have to install proper device driver. Keep in mind, if you install the wrong device driver, that device will not work. So that's why we have to download the specific right device driver. And meanwhile, I have to tell Windows 7, we have a same device. We say same printer. There's another driver for this, another driver, another setup. For Windows 10, if you using Windows 10 application, 10 OS, there's another driver, another driver setup. So Windows 8, there's another driver setup. But same printer, but different setup, right? So you should know why this device driver means. Device driver means the required installation files where the computer can understand whether there is a printer, whether there is a mouse, whether there is a keyboard, whether there is a monitor. Everything should be recognized. තේරුණාද? මේක ලොකු පාඩමක්. මේක ලොකු දෙයක් තියෙනවා මෙතන. දැන් මේව කවුරුත් දන්නේ නැහැ. මේව දැනගන්න ඕනේ ළමයි. දැන් තේරුණාද?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. එතකොට මෙතන එන්නේ driver කියලා. හරි? හරි. Lack of space in the මොකද්ද? Slow down the computer. Sindhi, what is the answer for 9? Lack of space in the...
Sir, can I say the answer?
No, I am asking from Sindhi. Sindhi, can you give me the answer? If Sindhi can't, you can give the answer. Lack of space. Huh? Lack of space in the...
Main storage.
main storage. Ronale, is this correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Tarul, is this correct or wrong?
Yes, correct.
Yes, that would be the answer, right? Because storage, if you don't have a, we say hard disk space, so machine will be slow down. So that's why the hard disk should have a space to run the machine smoothly. The machine එක slow වෙන්න එකක් හේතුව තමයි hard disk එකේ data වැඩි වෙන. hard disk එක කියන්නේ මේක. දැන් මම පෙන්නුවත් මගේ computer I will show you. Right, this is my computer. See this PC. See, I have now 20.7 GB and here 15.5. Right, the mere nil part of why this blue color, that it is still okay. I have free space 20.7, but now it's going to less. If you go, we say below 10, it will be a problem. So that's why. So if your hard disk is full of data, so it will be come as a red color. If it is come as a red color, there will be a problem. Machine will be get slow, right? Either you can delete the unwanted files such as videos, video file, films, etc., images and all, whatever the file type where it took more capacity of your hard disk, you have to delete it, or you have to back up from the computer to the external drive. Then you can, you can delete those files after you took the backup. That's how you have to maintain your computer storage precisely. Right. Question number 10. What would be the answer? Tharul.
Uninstall.
To make a computer run more efficiently, it is needed to uninstall unnecessary software. Uninstall. Okay. Any other answer? Tharul, sorry, Cindy, are you agree with uninstall? Are you
Yes,
agree with? Okay. What about Ronalia?
I agree with this answer.
Yes, this is uninstall, because unnecessary software we need to uninstall. Uninstall means we are going to remove. Install means we are going to add. Installing means we are going to add in that particular application to the computer. Uninstall means we are going to remove the particular application from the computer. That's the meaning of uninstall and install. Okay, I think there are two questions. Now these answers, I think Ronalia say hardware defeat and software defeat. This is correct, right? And Tharul also said for that one. Second one, inactive. What say? Inactive. What Tharul
Keyboard,
said?
mouse.
Yes, keyboard, mouse. Yes, correct. Okay, so I think we have finished all the 10 questions. So you can understand now. See, so this is the kind of a question. Actually, this is a very good question you have done today. See, now today I got one half an hour, right? Half, yes, 30 minutes more because of these exercises. Normally we have to finish a 1 hour class, but I have started more than I have. See, now is 1:35, right? So 1 hour 35 minutes gone because of this question, because this question is very important, right? Because see, actually this is a question like a O level, right? Because I know that. So you think that you have done the O level question from grade 8, right? The O level වලටත් මේ වගේ questions තමයි එන්නේ. Same question. Same kind of a questions. එතකොට දැන් බලන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ question එකෙන් ගොඩක් දේවල් දැනගත්තා. දන්නේ නැති දේවල්. දැන් මේ workbook එකේ කරන එකේ advantage එක ඒකයි. Yes.
Can we do 2.4 and 2.5 at
No,
home?
now okay. 2.4 and 2.5. Yeah, you can. Yes. You can start from no. Don't do this because you have to do with me, because then I can teach you. So we'll start from next week. Okay, so today we will wind up the class. Now it's more than 1:30. Yeah. So I think please remember what I thought. Some things sometimes you are forgotten. So you have forgotten my theories and concept I have teach. So which is not acceptable. So you have to keen on those things what I have taught. You have to know that. If I am asking the question, if you are struggling to answer that particular question, even I have taught already, so there will be a problem. So I need a correct answer for that. So for that, you will get a recap, even the videos on all the things, right? You can go to my this YouTube channel. You can look at that, without looking cartoons and songs and all. Listen to the songs. You just listen to these videos, then you can brush up your knowledge. Okay, have a good day. right? So we'll have another class from next Monday or Tuesday. Today is the, I think, third class for this month. I think Cindy, I couldn't send you a link, those 2 files, right? 2 videos, right? You,
Okay, sir.
yeah, I will send it to you, and I will. So what I am telling you, so my YouTube channel, I will put it to your group, so you can share with your friends and colleagues and whatever the groups. You just pass that group, then anyone can read and get some understanding. That is our happy. Okay. Actually, I thought that this year you will get some student, but it's still it's still not happening, right? No worries. So if you have friends, you just let them to come to these classes, right? So just pass the message, right? They will then join. Okay. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.